Hello gentlemen, how are you? Today I will discuss apply basic leveling procedures in piping system. Kindly subscribe my channel. I made this presentation for you. It will be easier to make you understand. These are the required skills and knowledge for leveling. What is leveling? Leveling is an important term in piping system. It is generally done by pipe fitter by using different types of tools. Proper alignment is important if piping system is to be correct fabricated. Poor alignment may result difficulties and a system does not function properly. List of the equipment and tools. These all are the tools and equipments. Tools and equipments. This is spirit level. Spirit level can check levels horizontal, vertical at 45-degree angle. This is plumb bob. This is used for vertical leveling. This is hammer. A hammer is a tool or device that delivers blow certain impact to an object. Different types of hammer. Spanner. A wrench is a tool used to provide grip and mechanical advantage in applying torque to turn objects, usually rotary fasteners such as nuts and bolts. Types of spanner. These all are the types of spanners. Line thread. Line thread is used in piping alignment for marking purpose or slope alignment. Water level tube. The simplest water level is a section of clear tubing partially filled with water. Water is easily proceed for use and easily discarded after use. This is used for horizontal leveling. See different types of pictures here. Here you can apply this procedure. Water level tube working as gravitational attraction. It is very simple to use for find level of different altitude. Level reading is very easy. Measuring tape. A tape measure or measuring tape is a flexible ruler and used to measure distance. Chain block. A chain block is a type of equipment used to lift or loading heavy items. Lever ratchet chain hoist. This is a chain hoist. It is used for small and medium load uplifting and downlifting. Lifting jack. We have here two types of jack. One is hydraulic jack, another one is mechanical jack. Pipe clamp. Pipe clamp is used for fit up of piping to another fitting materials or pipe This is pipe clamp. Pipe stand. It is a similar like mechanical jack used for pipe spool fabrication. It is used hold the pipe for fit up and welding. How to apply basic leveling procedures. Procedures. You can check, you can read step by step. These are the procedures. These are the procedures. First, we'll check the procedures. Pipe to pipe leveling. In pipe to pipe leveling, we have different procedures. You have to follow these procedures step by step. Next, pipe to 45-degree leveling. Here we have pipe and 45-degree elbow. So for 45-degree elbow, we have these procedures. You have to implement step by step. For 90-degree elbow leveling, pipe to 90-degree elbow. Here we have pipe and 90-degree elbow. These are the procedures for this. Pipe to T leveling. Here we have pipe and the T. These are the procedures for this. Here we have pipe to flange leveling. These are the procedures for pipe to flange leveling. Difficult details, adjustable bolt. Thank you. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.